I've got an emergency on my boat, and I'm far from shore. How will anyone find me? Here's a quick look at the Orion Electronic SOS Beacon Locator Kit, an electronic beacon for night use, and an orange distress flag for daytime. What makes this beacon stand out? First, it flashes a bright SOS distress signal in Morse code. The signal flashes 2 times longer than the U.S. Coast Guard continuous runtime requirement, and at a constant light intensity 2.5 times longer. This light source remains a full 4 inches above the waterline while floating. Next, it also has SOLAS-grade reflective tape for extra visibility. Then, there's the waterproof on-off switch that's easy and intuitive to operate. And speaking of waterproof, the microprocessor electronics are fully encapsulated for trouble-free use, and the battery compartment is sealed with a double O-ring closure. The beacon operates on 2 D-cell batteries, and it even lets you know if the batteries need replacing. Plus, its high-impact, durable ABS unibody features a high-visibility orange color so you can find it quickly. Finally, you have several options for deploying the beacon in an emergency. Drop it overboard, and it self-rights and floats. Hold it in your hand. Its molded-in plastic grips are even easy to hold when wet. Or hang it from a visible location on your boat with the top and bottom lanyards. The kit also includes an orange distress flag, and everything is packed in a reusable storage container so it's handy when you need it. In addition to the passive, long-duration distress signal you'll get from the Orion Electronic SOS Beacon, smart boaters would be wise to also purchase and carry a set of intense alert and locate pyrotechnic flares that are not dependent on batteries for operation. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the Orion Electronic SOS Beacon Locator Kit at westmarine.com. Or click the button in the upper left corner. Feel free to ask us any questions while you're there, or write a review if you already have one. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the water.